Yay, my Mindful Souls box has arrived. Let's open it up and see what is inside. I'm so excited. So it says, open up to the world of inner peace and self-love. Yes. Okay, so here's what it looks like, how it arrives. We got this cool sheet, tells me what everything is. An affirmation for acceptance. I love and accept myself the way I am, and I love and accept others the same way. Oh, that's so beautiful. And then this really cool sticker, grow from the inside. I love that. And then here's all the goodies. So let's see. It's like you get a bunch of different gifts all in one. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the one that's not wrapped. Cool. Some Nature's Meditation incense. These smell really good. Like my whole box smells good. I think it's from this. So a bunch of incense sticks. I love that. Yeah, those smell so good. Okay, there's one item. Let's see what's in this little bag. Ooh, that's pretty. Gorgeous necklace with all those beads. Might be chakra beads. I'm not quite sure. What's really cool about this kit is that it gives you this card here, which tells you what everything is. Oh yes, I was right. This is a chakra necklace. Ooh, I love that. So I'm gonna put that on. Ooh, look how gorgeous that is. I love that. Purple is my absolute favorite color. I love this stone. Looks like a little coaster. So cool. Oh yes, look at this bracelet. That's awesome. Beautiful beads on it. I know they all have significance too. So this one is a golden obsidian bracelet, protective shield to deflect the negativity. All right. So this one, so cool. It's a cleansing wand. I've never had anything like this before. So definitely excited to learn a little more how to use that. And then I have one more thing. The coolest thing about these kits is that it literally feels like it goes on and on and on. Like I feel like I've been opening so many things. You get so much in one box. And what is this? So I can see the little crystals in there. Oh, it's a roller. So you would add your own essential oils and have the roller and then the healing properties of the crystals. That one is obsidian. All right, I love it all. The necklace, the bracelet, so cool. Definitely gonna spend some time learning about all the items and incorporating it into my daily life.